This channel that I found was able to get over 3,000 subscribers with over 100,000 views with only a total of 6 videos within 1 to 2 months of uploading. You might be thinking right now that going viral on YouTube and making money on the platform as a small channel is all luck. You have probably gone through the process of uploading a video or two yourself and you're not happy with the results in your latest videos and questioning how YouTubers like this channel are able to grow so rapidly. But what I am about to share with you today will ultimately answer your question of how this channel was able to explode on YouTube and change your perspective on the way of uploading videos and changing the course of your YouTube channel to see more success in the future. So let's start off by talking about YouTube's algorithm, which, by the way, there are so many videos out there saying different things about YouTube's algorithm, but as of now there are a couple of things that I could take away for sure that YouTube considers for a video to be successful or not. From my prior video, which gained over 9,000 views and increased my subscriber count by 300 in the span of 1 month, I discovered two important metrics that ultimately exploded my YouTube videos' reach and views and went semi-viral as a result of it. The first important metric that determines the success of your YouTube video is watch time. While a lot of people know that watch time is a crucial metric to the success of their YouTube video, not many people know how to maximize this stat and fail to actively engage their viewers throughout their videos. But before we dive deeper into how we can maximize this stat to keep viewers engaged, I gotta tell you that your video idea is one of the most important factors that will determine whether your video will flop or not, even if it has the best editing possible. This is because, first of all, if your video idea does not appeal to a large audience, then you will fail to get any interest and then ultimately lead to no views. I know this for a fact from my own experience because in my latest video I was able to reach a wide audience that were intrigued by my video, clicked on it, and actually stayed to watch my video for a long duration because it was a topic that so many people were interested in, which was how this YouTuber was able to become so successful. I was able to educate and provide value to my viewers while making them feel that what I was saying is something that they couldn't miss out on, which further compels them to continue watching. After overcoming this first hurdle of finding and working on a video idea that does appeal to an audience, now I can start talking about the more juicy stuff, which is how we can maximize this important metric surrounding watch time. To understand how to create great videos with high watch times and viewer engagement, let's look at YouTube in a different perspective that places us in the shoes of a viewer watching a YouTube video. As a viewer, we hope to either be educated or entertained after watching a video. If a video fails to visually please us with good animations or graphics, or have bad production quality or a lackluster script that does not provide us with any value, we will of course click off the video and search for another video that is able to fulfill this for us. This is something that you must consider constantly and ask yourself while you are producing your video. Your ideas may be great, but executing a great produced video with good mic, sound, and graphics quality is the hard part, which all contribute to determining if your video is worth the watch for viewers. But before a person watches your video in the first place, they must click on it, which brings us to the next important metric, which is click-through rate and interest. First, I'm going to tell you right now that even if your video has the best production quality, information, and value compared to any other video, but it fails to grasp the viewer's attention in the YouTube homepage, which features hundreds of other videos, your video will ultimately not be seen. This brings us to the importance of thumbnail design and engaging titles. I truly do believe that this is a step in achieving a successful video, since this is what gives you the opportunity to showcase your video to millions of users across YouTube. Without getting past this first step of creating an engaging thumbnail and title, which makes the viewer contemplate and feel like they're missing out, your video will inevitably fail. This is something that I found that many successful YouTubers are constantly doing by brainstorming and changing to ultimately come to their desired thumbnail and title. Let's just look at one of Mr. Beast's thumbnail. If we look at this thumbnail of his, we could visually see what's at stake, which garners interest and anticipation by making the viewers question what's going to happen to Mr. Beast and his crew when he is stranded at sea surrounded by sharks. The thumbnail effectively shows you what the video is going to be about, stressing the important points, while the title tells the viewer what the video is about. By effectively communicating what your video is about and making viewers feel possessed to click on on your video and hear about your experience, advice, or value, you can ultimately overcome this metric and use it to craft a successful YouTube video. One free tip to find interesting topics which people are eager to find and watch is by utilizing vidIQ, which is a platform that aims to give creators like me and you ideas of their next video, important keywords, competition analysis, and daily ideas to help your channel become successful. I have personally used this myself to come up with interesting video ideas, which I do have in store for my future YouTube videos as well, so stay tuned for that. vidIQ goes in depth and informs you on different topics that ultimately are seeing a lot of demand and helps you get a good idea of what content viewers are wanting. I have vidIQ linked in the description below as well. Now that you know how to come with interesting and viral potential video ideas, you need to apply this in your next video and make yourself stand out to see success in your next video. Instead of copying everyone's thumbnail and putting less effort into your content, put an interesting twist and brand your image, which will hook the viewers and attract them to click on your videos. So if you want to continue learning more in depth about YouTube and how you're able to create a branded YouTube channel that is able to consistently get good ideas for upcoming videos and collaborate with hundreds of other YouTubers, check out our Discord community in the description below. There will be a limit of 50 invites, so if you're interested, make sure to be fast and join. I can't wait to see some of you guys there and also help you guys on your YouTube journey. Make sure to also like and subscribe if you found this video valuable and entertaining. Peace.